Well, hello. How we doing? I've been so excited to make this video for about the longest time now. I am on the way right now to a campsite, and I don't know if you can see it back there, but that's the bike. That is the bike. I bought a motorcycle trailer, or carrier, should I say, and that's what we're taking. We're gonna go stay up in Doll Mountain Campground. It's on Lake Carter, about an hour drive. But yeah, so I got it. This is just gonna be a test run. There's a couple things that we're the first thing that we're testing is the bike carrier. For the bike carrier, let me just tell you that my fucking balls are in my throat. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous about it. It is killing me. I shook it, and I said that's not going anywhere. So that means it has to stay place. Like, it has to stay place. That means it has to stay put. So, but it still, it like bounces with the truck. So you can just see it like bouncing up and down basically back there. It's nerve-wracking. It really is. All the bumps. Scary. Another thing we're going to be testing out is I have a truck tent that just goes right back into the bed of the truck. I don't know how to put it together. I've had it for almost a year now. Oh, not even a year now. I've had it over 2 years now. I threw away the instructions. I just have it in a bag. So we're going to see how easy that is. And then for dinner, we are going to go try to make Gourmet's ARBY'S sandwiches. I'm going to run by ARBY'S. I'm going to pick up a sandwich as well. And we're going to see how well I can sit there and make it. So yeah, I will, it's about 3:20, 3:15 right now. I will update y'all when I am pulling into the campsite. Or if something happens to the bike. No, it won't. We'll be good. All right, see you boys. Well, hello. We have made it. But it's been actually pretty crazy so far. They have had, we got hit by a really bad storm a couple nights ago, and it is just nothing but debris. Even on the way up here, it was just nothing but, like, the crews taking out all the trees and stuff. Not a bike. But it's, I mean, you can see it. It is just trashed. They said, I just talked to a lady pulling in here. She said that they just got my loop cleared up. Oh my gosh. It is nuts here. Oh my Lanta. Like, look at this. These trees down. It's pretty insane. She was telling me on the other side of Lake Carter, there is a boat ramp. They said they had 37 trees go down. They said the crew's been out there for the last 2 days straight, just sitting there trying to clear them all up. Really, I hope I'm still on the right path here. Every time I go over a speed bump, man, I'm like holding my breath. But hey, we made it, you know? Take the tumble now. Whatever. No. Oh. There's a guy blowing my spot out right now for me, actually. That's crazy. Look at him. Well, I have made it to the camp spot. The guy was literally just blowing it off right as I was pulling up. He informed me that the only bathrooms that are working is up there and that all the electricity is out. I got shore power hookups on the side right here, but I won't need it because I'm in my truck. But we're gonna sit there, I'm gonna unpack the truck as much as I can, and then I'm going to try to get the bike off without disturbing anybody, and yeah. I've never been up here. It's really pretty, actually. Right down there is the lake. I can see it. I will probably try to go down to it at some point. That was pretty tough, not gonna lie. Music to my ears. Kind of forgot that I had this on the back of my truck. Let me just tell you, hot, muggy, kind of gross. But we're doing it. I have to constantly remind myself, totally worth it. Like, once I get everything up, it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be so proud. Of course. I went and stepped right off to the side, right here. There's no one here. I haven't seen a single person other than that guy blowing the leaves. And he left. So I stopped right here on the side, and I was like, well, I gotta pee. So I started peeing. As I'm telling you, as soon as I start pissing, the truck pulls down right down the thing. I just dribbled so much pee in my pants. Check it out. It's crazy. That is nuts. Look at this, dude. This is probably gonna take like a month to clean up. And like, are these trees okay up here? It's scary walking underneath this. This sucks. Like, they have a bunch of campsites that they probably won't be able to use for, I mean, again, I'm probably saying a month at least. But it is really cool because, like, there is just nobody here. It's already a pretty quiet campsite to begin with, like where I'm at. This is like, if you hear a stick break, you're like, what was it? It feels like we're in that type of woods. Hey, it's the shit house. Man, don't shit at me, man. I've made it. I just went up there and finished my pee. Oh shit. It's getting fucking crazy. Holy hell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Change of plans. Special guest notice. My lovely girlfriend's actually gonna drive up for like 2 hours and come see me. I think she's gonna spend the night. You know what that means? We're gonna be back to here later. I gotta go run back to the bike, and I gotta go to the grocery store to get ready for food. When I tell you guys that I'm a puddle right now, just got out of the Food Lion. Look what's right there. Almost like I planned this. I told them to build that there, that's what I'm saying. Wow, he don't like me, I promise you that. This is just a PSA. Don't be a fucking dickhead to fast food workers. Like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, they mess up, but none of those ladies in there were ever getting an attitude. They were never mean. They always fixed the order, and the people were just fucking... I'm not joking, there was a dude in the drive-thru window yelling. We could hear him in the store. He was screaming through the thing. They told him 5 times that they'll be right with him. And he kept continuously yelling. It's crazy. God damn, dude. I thought that was my bad. Embarrassing. I made it back. Camera died. Sweating like a motherfucker. Changed out my hat because I sweated through the Braves one. I had finally got the batteries for the air mattress. Girlfriend showed up, special guest. And now we're gonna be making the ARBY'S sandwiches, gourmet. Because I'm like that. This is one of my favorite things. Look at this box. Look at this. This thing is beat up to hell, but it's the nicest thing ever. Thank you. You're the man. and it's finally done. I wonder which one you're choosing. Mine looks prettier, I would say. Look like a whore working a corner street.
It does make that one look like shit.
It really does. So, it's now 9 o'clock. Finally sitting there gonna grub. And then I'll probably get back to you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat breakfast. But I will update you as soon as I can. Good morning. Good morning. So pretty. But there's so many fucking mosquitoes down here. Not dealing with that. No, sir, not me. So, just want to take the time, sit there and say, if you made it this far, thank you. This is what I really want to do. This has been my dream ever since I was a little boy. I thought it was always such a cool idea that I could pack up my truck on the bike and just go. And this is what I want to keep doing. So if you like this kind of stuff, it would really mean the world if you kept them around. It's not a big deal if you don't, but it's much appreciated. So thank you. I am now gonna go for a pretty long ride. Appreciate it. Just got back from riding. Sweat my ass off. Now all I got left to do is just put the bike back on, and dip out. I already took down everything. And yeah. So I'll see you when I'm pulling out. Alrighty, party people. Bike is on the truck. Campsite clear out. And I'm heading home. Rule 1 of leaving campsite: make sure you leave it better than you found it. Rule 2: thank everybody that is working at the campsite, especially if you go to like a national forest or anything like that. A lot of them are volunteers. So make sure at least wave, say hi, thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you guys will join me next time for it. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and then I'll see you back when I see you. Peace.